again, thank you all so much for stopping by. Today I will be sharing with you how you too can take a tier tray, make it pretty, and use it for your office space. It will allow you to be creative and functional and cute all at the same time. So I'm going to share with you how I have decorated my tier tray. And this is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by the lovely Penny over at Penny's Place. Now, over at Penny's channel, you can find her doing a multitude of things such as cleaning, decorating, cooking, organizing, and giving out some amazing tips. So I will leave her information in my description box below. Please go over and visit and let her know that you are there via Gigi Facing. I thank you all so much for stopping by. Now you guys, what I'm going to do with this tray, it's a find from Target. So I'm going to take some little bundles of roses that are on a little wired stem, and I'm going to continue to decorate this tray, make it look pretty and make it useful for my office space. I thank you all so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, then I welcome you and I thank you for stopping by. If you're already a subscriber, then I thank you. You know I love and appreciate you, and I so enjoy reading your comments. Thank you guys for continuing the journey with me. Now these are how the little rose petals look, and little rose buds, and I'm just going to attach them to my basket just to make it cute, and then I will make it useful. And this is part of, I think, a Valentine's Day collaboration. I'm a little bit late on this, but nevertheless I wanted to participate. So if you are new to my channel, as I stated before, I welcome you here and I welcome you to my family. If you want to become a part here, then all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and then press the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. I thank you so much for stopping by. Penny's information is going to be left in my description box below, so that you may go over and visit her channel and then check out the playlist of all of the other creators that are or have participated in this challenge. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Continue to enjoy as I share with you how I continue to create this tier tray. So here you guys, as I reveal to you my tray, you will see the little red coffee mug. You will also see a little snack cup that I have my little candies in here at my desk. I have some lollipops that are heart-shaped that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then the little coasters that I shared with you earlier. Now those lollipops are also from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's about 6 in the little pack for $1. I thought that was unique. And then my little candy treats here. So I thought I would make me a very cute and useful tray for my office space here. And on my bottom shelf, I do have my office necessities, such as my mouse for my computer, my stapler, and I have a magnifying glass when I can't find my readers. I have a highlighter and then a pen. All of those items are on the bottom shelf here, and I just kind of lace the bottom of the shelf with one of those heart-shaped doilies that you also get from the Dollar Tree. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tier tray. I will leave the information to Penny's channel in my description box, along with the link to the other creators that are participating in this challenge. You guys continue to be blessed, continue to enjoy yourselves, and continue to work hard and acquire the things that your heart and your mind desire. Now, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you again, and I welcome you to be a part of my family here. All you have to do is press that red subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. And for those of you that have continued to support me, you know I love you, I appreciate you, and I thank you for your continuous support. I do love reading your comments, so thank you, thank you, thank you. They are so inspirational, and they give me the motivation to continue to create, to decorate, and to inspire. Blessings to you all. Thank you.